One of the things that I really want to do is bring the visual of sound into the forest in a very natural way through chlorophyll photography. So I thought I'd try first off by taking the Dara knot, which is what my logo for CAN Y COED has been based on, and just experimenting with that and seeing whether or not I could get the chlorophyll photography to work on the leaves. I got a contact frame, that's what you can see here. I put the acetate into the frame of the Dara knot with the leaf and then locking it into the contact frame, leaving it in the sun. Now, I think I left it in the sun for too long because when I came to take it out, it wasn't quite as I imagined it would be. Now what I've learnt from this process, and I've tried it 3 or 4 times since, still without any success, is that in this video I've left the leaf in the sun far, far too long. It's scorched, it's melted into the acetate, and it was a very, very hot day. I should have left it for just a few hours. I've tried it in the morning sun, thinking it wouldn't be so bright, but the chlorophyll presumably doesn't produce at that time of day. And as you can see from what we ended up with here, that in principle chlorophyll photography has worked for me, but I just need to get it onto a whole leaf, and then once I do, I can start thinking about bringing the spectral frequency of the sound onto the leaves in the same way. But I've still got a way to go. I'll just keep experimenting at different times of the day for different lengths of time until I get it right. And that's what research and development is all about. My name is Cheryl Beer. I am the conduit, composer, and environmental sound artist notating nature in her hour of distress so that you might hear her better.